Hey friends, if you're getting the blocked message error on Instagram, it can be super frustrating, especially when you're trying to communicate with friends or customers. Don't worry, I've got a few solutions that might help you get around this issue. Let's jump in and fix it together. First, know that Instagram sometimes blocks messages temporarily if it detects unusual activities like sending too many messages too quickly. The block usually lasts 24 hours to 48 hours. So your step is to simply wait it out and avoid sending too many messages in short time. To avoid this issue in the future, make sure you're not sending identical or repetitive messages too often. Instagram's spam filter might block you if it thinks you're a bot or spamming. If you believe you've been blocked by mistake, you can report the issue directly to Instagram. Go to Settings, then Help, and select Report a Problem. Describe the issue and submit it. Instagram might review your case and lift the block. Hopefully, one of these methods works for you. Remember, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more useful Instagram tips. If the problem persists, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.